Good morning, dear students. Today we are here to discuss about French Revolution. So our topic for today is French Revolution. French Revolution. French Revolution. French Revolution. So what we are going to study in this topic, we talk about that why this French Revolution was occurred there and what the major causes behind this French Revolution and how it was begins. किस तरह से फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन हुआ, कैसे क्या क्या कॉजेस इसके रहे, क्या क्या कारण इसके रहे जिसकी वजह से फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन हमें देखने को मिलता है अपनी हिस्ट्री के अंदर. मेनली इट्स इंक्लूडिंग द यूरोपियन हिस्ट्री. सो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन वाज अकर्ड इन 1789. फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन was held in 1789. 1789. French Revolution mainly occurred in 1789. So at that time there was different type of things which are responsible for that revolution. The main things. So we are going to start with the causes about the French Revolution. What the causes which are responsible for the French Revolution? Now let's talk about that. The causes which those main causes which are responsible for the French Revolution. So causes that are responsible for French Revolution. So there are different type of causes which are responsible for French Revolution. First cause, ये हमें पता होना चाहिए कि क्या क्या causes रहे इसके पीछे. First cause that was social causes. Second one is economic causes. And third one is political causes. So these are the three causes which are responsible for the French Revolution. So now we are going to start discuss about the first causes which is social cause, that is responsible for the French Revolution. So French Revolution के social cause जो सामाजिक जो कारण है उनके बारे में बात करेंगे हम लोग. So let's discuss at first social cause. Social cause. There are different type of aspects, like if we talk about like social causes. So first thing, social causes. So there the society divided into three estates at that time. So people they are like belongs to first and second estates, they enjoyed their privileges by the world. Now first thing that is the system which was called old design. The term old design. What is the meaning of old design? This old design describe the situation before France in 1789. So the term old design may describe the situation before the France in 1789. 1789 से पहले society which type of society was existing in France. So first thing, now we talk about the society. So society or people divided into three estates. Society, estate system was existed there. First thing that is very important, estate system was existed into three estates. state system was estate system was existed there, existed. So society divided into three estates. These are the three estates. First and second. First estate, second estate, and third estate. So first thing that is also very important about that. The first estates, who include in the first estate? So maybe clergy including the first estate. Second one is nobility including the second estate, and in the third estate maximum people live in the third estate. So who are in the first estate? All those persons who were involved church matters. So first thing, clergy, all those persons who were involved in the mainly church matter. These are the first estates, but they are very less in number. If we talk about, they are very less in number. In the second estate, who exists in the second estate? Nobility. All those who were in administration, so all those who were in the administration, so they all come into the category of the second estate, and that estate is known as nobility class. Third estate, big businessmen, peasants, artisans, local people, middle class, etc. All those were in that third estates. This system was exist before 1789 in France. So at that time the estate system was existed there. So this estate system creates problem to all the people, those who live in France at that time. If you talk about the first and second estates, so these two states enjoy privileges by the world. Both the estates enjoys privileges by birth. That it means if a king's son become a king, कि क्या बनेगा? राजा का बेटा राजा ही बनेगा. So they enjoy privileges by the birth. So if what is the meaning of privileges by the birth? कि राजा का बेटा राजा बनेगा, peasant का बेटा peasant बनेगा. So that was the system. Both the states enjoy privileges by the birth. दोनों जो system था, दोनों जो चीजें थी, they enjoy privileges by the birth. And both estates, first and second estates were exempted from the taxes. That it means exempted. That means both first and second estates were exempted from the taxes. That it means they did not give any type of tax, or they were free from the tax. They were free from the taxes. Only third estate people had to pay taxes. So only third estates, because this third estate people, they only the pay of the taxes. At that time, there were two types of taxes which is collected if they are collected directly and if they are not collected directly. So two types of taxes existed in French society at that time. First one is tally. This one is a type of tax. Two famous taxes which was collected by the first two estates from the third estate. So first tax named tally. It was a direct tax. It was a direct tax. It doesn't mean that there were different types of indirect taxes which they collected or on salt and tobacco. Next type of taxes, because these taxes were so famous in France at that time. Next tax is that one is tithes. Next tax. So tally was a direct tax which was collected by the first and second estate, and next tithes. This tax collected by the church. ये जो टैक्स है किसके द्वारा कलेक्ट किया जाता है? टैक्स। ये टैक्स कलेक्ट किया जाता है चर्च के द्वारा, एंड इट इज ऑन एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स. It lied on agriculture. It is lied on agricultural products. 1/10. It is lied on the agricultural. It is lied on the production. Of agricultural products. Agricultural production activity is lied on the production of agriculture, and it was 1/10. It means that if you produce 100 kg grains, so it means you will give 10 kg to the church. So this one is the topic. So these are the social causes. So maximum time people faced huge problem in that system. Okay, thank you. In our next video we will talk about the political or economical causes which was responsible for the French Revolution. Okay, thank you.